for a faster and smarter way to understand what your users really care about? In this video, we'll show you how UserVoice's AI themes and trends help you quickly uncover the most important and trending topics across all of your customer feedback. So let's get into how to take advantage of themes and trends. You can generate a theme report from any view of your ideas. From the main idea grid, simply add any filters you want, such as specific statuses, created by, or specific form and categories, and then click the themes button here in the top, which will open this side panel to name your report and run theme detection. You can also generate themes from a specific saved view or by manually selecting ideas from the idea grid, which will open a quick actions panel where you can click the find themes button, which will then open the panel to name your report and run theme detection. After you initiate the process and click run, the modal will close and our AI will get to work. Please note that generating themes can take between 5 and 15 minutes, depending on your volume of ideas, but you'll receive a convenient in-app notification and an email when your report is ready to view. You can see I now have a notification that my theme detection is complete, and I can access the report by clicking here, which takes me to the themes and trends page. I could also access it by clicking the AI tools in the left side menu and clicking themes and trends. By clicking themes and trends, all of your generated theme reports are stored easily and accessibly. These reports are read-only and available to all administrators. Permissions for a theme report are tied to the save view or filters you use to create it. To share a report, just click the copy icon here, which copies the link to the report to your clipboard, and then you can send the user you need to share with this link and they can view your report. You can also edit the name of the report by clicking the edit icon and changing the name here. Now into the theme report. This report provides a high-level overview of top trends and topics within your selected feedback. Each theme includes key metrics like votes, comments, accounts, revenue, and an urgency score to help you understand what to prioritize. From each theme, you can view the ideas that make up that theme, and you can run an impact report on that specific theme. You can also change the ordering of the ideas by clicking this box here and choosing one of the options in the dropdown. You can also click on any idea within the theme and it will open a new tab with the idea details. If you generated a theme from filters, you will have the option up here to view the idea grid with the matching filters you generated the theme on. If you generated it on a selection of ideas that you manually selected, it will also give you the option to create an idea list from those ideas. Let's jump into the trend analysis and take a look here. This is going to give you your top 5 trending themes for your theme report, where you can also change the time frame to get a bit more data. Under compare themes, you have the option to select from your list of themes to compare over time. And then under single theme, you can pick your single theme to view the metrics on that over time as well. And lastly, if you want a new set of themes from the same set of data, click this rewind button and you can rerun the theme detection report. With AI themes and trends, you can move past the noise and get to the heart of what your users are saying, helping you make more informed product decisions. Ready to unlock the full potential of your customer feedback? Reach out to get this add-on package so you can start using AI themes and trends today.